Well, you've heard it said, one man's junk is another man's treasure. This is going to look like a pile of junk, but to me it's a treasure. I've had this for about 40 years. And this treasure is an all-wood manure spreader. It has wood-spoked wheels, of course the wood body, drag bars in the bottom are wood, the beater bar in the back is wood. A pretty unique vehicle. I picked this up in the early 80s, say about 40 years ago, 6 miles from here. And I have stored it and moved it, and it has got piles of junk put on it over all these years. And I'm to the point now to where I want to rebuild it. These are the front wheels. They all have wood spokes in them. Similar style of hub design is what you would find on a grain drill, but they're pretty rotted. These back wheels as well have wood spokes in them. Out on the tire they have these cleats because it is a ground driven manure spreader. And on the hub here it says Smith Manufacturing Company, Chicago. And it has the number 231A, it looks like. Smith Manufacturing. That's all I know about this. So these are the links that run on the bed, the wood slats here, instead of the angle iron that you would more commonly see on newer manure spreaders. This one is all wood. It has been a place that has accumulated junk. That junk's going to go away. These are the beater bars that go across the back. They also are a wood bar with these heavy spikes in them. This is what breaks down the manure as it's being spread. This had a driver's seat here. This is the remnants of the seat. It was horse-drawn. I've got the forks on my Bobcat, and I'm going to see if I can't get underneath this front axle and coax it forward. I'd like to get these wheels off so I can take them down and get them rebuilt to make this thing a little more mobile and get it in the shop. Well, I've got enough resistance, probably because those back wheels are in such poor shape. I think I'm going to have to tie to this. I just want to slide off the forks. Let's see if that helps it a bit. I'm not too surprised that the tires came off. These spokes weren't in any kind of condition at all anyway. This other side is still intact. The main framework is broken on this side. I might be able to get underneath this side and see if I can't pick it up and move it It's pretty bad. Don't know that I'm going to hurt it any more than it is. Main frames are breaking. I'd like to get it a little further, then I can block up the axles and get these wheels off. Well, that'll allow me to get the front wheels off. Hopefully I can get them loose. I'm about to run out of daylight. I'm going to see if I can sneak in behind and lift that back axle up as well. I did get some blocks underneath this back axle. See if I can get these wheels off. They're locked up. We'll see what it takes to get them off. You can see here the Smith Manufacturing logo here on the hub itself. There's been just a bolt stuck in here instead of probably a cotter pin. We'll see if we can get these off. And they don't want to break this casting. Different depths on here, which allow us to adjust these hubs. Could be pretty seized up. If I can get enough heat on them here. We'll just kind of play with this for a while. These front hubs are loose, and they still have the, looks like original cotter pins in them. And that's probably the case with the back axles. Probably just a lot of rust. I might have to get a bigger torch. I mushroomed that out a bit, didn't I? When you're away from the shop, what do you do without a Leatherman? So you're probably going to think all I ever do is work with basket cases. Well, this is another one of those basket cases, but it does have kind of an interesting history behind it. If you want to search more about this, and I know many of you do who follow, look up Smith Manufacturing, who operated in Chicago, Illinois. They started operating in 1890, and these manure spreaders was one of their product lines. I know you like to research history as much as I do, but look them up and see what you find. This will be my next project, starting with the wheels. Well, my main project still is this sheep wagon that we have already started, but I'm going to do this as my own personal project and kind of fit it in after hours, kind of the after work schedule. Kind of a nice in-shop project when the weather could be not so nice outside. Anyway, appreciate you following along. Thanks for watching.